Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. I have a traverse here for a shift to part message. I already made a video about it on the Blazer and the traverse, right? But that video pretty much showed you how to take the interior apart to replace those two things here. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm not gonna show you how to get to the shifter here. No, it's not what this video is about. I'm gonna show you how to take the shifter apart to install the new harness and add the jumper to it. So I'll post the link on how to remove all those things here. Remove those things, and unplug the connectors. I'll post the link in the comment section below. What I'm gonna do is how to take the shifter apart, because the first video I did, I realized that I had a few comments about it. It wasn't really in depth. You know what I mean? If you get what I'm saying. It wasn't really detailed on how to take it apart. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a video today on how to replace those things, and I'll also post the link for those parts in the comment section below. So let's do it. So I'm back here, guys. I have the shifter out of the vehicle, right? So what I'm gonna do is removing this 10mm nut here so I can pop the shifter itself from the base. Okay, so what you need is a 10mm, and you need to hold this piece here in while you're removing the nut. Okay, so let's do it. Put your fingers like this and remove the 10mm nut, just like that. So I got it off. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna push separate the base from it. You pull it backward like this, right, and pick it up. I need two hands really to do this, but yeah, here it is. You separate it, you disengage the back here and the front, you pull it backward and pick it up. That's what you need to do. Okay, the next step is remove this cover here using a pick like this. Just remove it. There it is. So it goes in like this. So the next step is right now you push the wad down. You see this? You push it down and you remove this piece here, right? Let's dislocate. So I have the harness off, and you're gonna remove this, pop it off, right? There it is. There's the harness. That's the switch right here. I think that's what the problem is, to be honest. That's what the problem is. That's what you're replacing, is the switch here. So you remove the harness here. You work your way down, right? And we're going to remove this white connector here. Just unplug it. Unplug it. And we're going to remove the female part of the connector. There you go. You start it out like this, and you're gonna work your way on the other side now to remove the connector here. Okay, so what I ended up doing is I use a pick and pop it off. Okay, this is broken, but I don't really mind this being broken because I'm getting a new one anyway. Okay, you come in with a new one. So as long as the interior is fine, right here, those two things is fine. That's where you attach to. It is fine. Okay, so now we're gonna work our way on the other side and remove this thing here. Okay, and we're gonna use a pick like this to remove this cover here. Okay, like this. I know it might look intimidating for some of you guys, but it is really not that serious. Trust me, I've done a lot of them, like hundreds of them, and it's very easy. Just follow the video, you'll get it. Trust me. Okay. Now you pop this cover off. Okay, you pull it. Jesus, it's out. So what we're gonna do is pull the switch here too out, and voila, it's out. Now let's put the new one in. This is bad. Now here's the new part. Right, we're going to open it, and that's the harness for it. We're going to install it. Here's the new harness. So what we're gonna do is put the shiny part at the bottom and make sure the metal rod here, right, it goes in between that white piece here. Okay. Okay, and remember to add this clip here. Okay, there it is. It's like that to hold this thing in place. Okay, see this? And now we're gonna take the wires and go under this piece here. You're gonna follow it's like a maze, what they call them again. You're going to tuck it in inside of there, just like that. And now we're going to put the female connector in its place down there. We're going to flip it. Now we're going to slide the female part down there like that. Here it is, just like that. I don't know if you guys can see this. And we're going to plug that connector here. Oops. Just like that. Now we're gonna work on the other side and put our female connector in this channel here. Forward like this and back. Perfect. There it is, it's in. So now we're gonna go flip it on the other side and put this switch here right there. Okay, we're going to pull it, make it neat. You really can mess that up, trust me, you really can. It's really easy. You tuck it in like this, you follow it, and you tuck it in right here too. Okay, and we're going to put this right there, the switch. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is you're going to push the rod down again so that this can go in between this moving part here. You see it moving? This piece here has to go in between. Okay, so I need both hands to do this. This tab is gonna tell you what to do, right? It only goes in one way. The tabs will go in those holes down there. Okay, so I got, as you guys can see, I got everything in. As you guys see, you see this, you see how it works. This I need to go in between, the metal piece need to go in between this moving part here. Okay, and make sure you tuck all your wires in. Okay, and the channels. Same thing on the other side. Everything is tucked in. So we're gonna put this cover in. So the cover is in. Everything is neat. And it's ready to go. There's one more thing you need to do. Is add this jumper in the back of it now. There it is. And we're going to put this at the base. Use the base over there, and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. I'll post the link in the comment section below on how to remove it out the car. Thanks for watching.